Hello and welcome back to another A691 Specialist Cars video. My name is Harvey and today I'm showcasing and presenting this fabulous car. This is our 2017 Mini Clubman SD and it comes in a beautiful burgundy, and I can't wait to show you the features it has to offer. So without any further ado, let me show you. And yes, this fantastic car is available for purchase now. So what are you waiting for? Call now, or even go onto our website, A691 Specialist Cars, to see a bit more about the car. But once again, my name is Harvey, and thank you for watching another A691 Specialist Cars video.